All right, YouTube. Today, the adventure crew is setting off on a very cool adventure. We are going to be taking a train all the way from Moorpark, California to Carpinteria. So what you see right here is the train track. One side's going to LA. The other side is going up to Carpinteria for a beach day. Now behind us, there's a great little Mexican restaurant. They open at 10 o'clock, and if we're lucky, we're gonna load up with some food and we're gonna have a picnic on the train. Train comes at 10:24. All right, we have some coins on the track.
Come on.
And when that train comes, you just gotta flatten off these coins. Oh, we're passing a strawberry field.
A million strawberries?
What?
You think it might hold a million strawberries?
Are there a million strawberries? What do you think, Delaney? I think you're right. 100 million. All right, these kids are very excited about a Jarritos. It's go time. Jarritos on a train. Right here.
And that's what he's actually wearing.
Right. This is a little table.
We have arrived in Carpinteria, and this train is on its way.
Playground?
The playground, we've made it. It's our first time ever at the Carpinteria playground next to the campground.
Playground. Playground.
We made it back to Moorpark.